So it's the world's biggest immunization process. It's underway, and with us is Dr. Naresh Trehan, one of India's best-known doctors and the chairman and managing director of Medanta. Dr. Trehan, you just got your jab. What was the experience like, sir?
It's totally painless, so you don't even notice that it's gone in. I suppose there'll be some reaction as we go further. Now I have to be under observation for half an hour just to make sure there's no reaction, but it's very simple, straightforward, recommended for everybody.
So you recommend everybody should get this jab and as quickly as possible?
Yeah, whenever it becomes available to them, and I hope it will be soon, because the supplies are coming up. So we hope that in the very near future, the whole country will be able to get the benefit of it. And it's the beginning. Today is the largest vaccine exercise in the world. So this is a significant day, and I wish all of us who are getting it now, all the frontline workers, they have actually been risking their life for the last 10 months. So this is the beginning of the end of the pandemic. I think we will see the backside of COVID-19 in the very near future.
I am feeling very proud and humble at this point because I have been vaccinated and I was considered in the first lot to be vaccinated. It is a great moment for our country because we have now started the world's largest vaccination program, and we are very confident that it will be a smooth program and we will be able to vaccinate a very large number of people.
सुलोचना कटारिया ये वही हैं जिन्होंने सबसे पहले वैक्सीन LNJP में लगवाई है। सुलोचना, सबसे पहले वैक्सीन लगवाई है, कैसा महसूस हो रहा है?
मैं बहुत अच्छा महसूस कर रही हूँ।
डर नहीं था? फैमिली में कोई डर नहीं था?
फैमिली वाले थोड़ी, मेरे फादर टेंशन कर रहे थे, बोल रहे थे तुमने क्यों टीका सबसे पहले लगाया? मैंने बोला नहीं, मैं ही लगवाना है।
कहाँ पे आप कितने सालों से ये काम कर रही हैं हेल्थ केयर में?
30 साल से हूँ मेडिकल लाइन में।
3 साल से?
30
साल। तो कोविड वार्ड में काम किया था?
यस, 7 मंथ किया LNJP हॉस्पिटल में।
अच्छा, तो क्या डर लग रहा था वहाँ पे? जो स्थिति देखी वो देख के क्या लग रहा था?
स्थिति में तो थोड़ा डर था, टेंशन थी कि लोग कैसे मर रहे हैं। एपिडेमिक डिजीज इज वेरी बैड।
अच्छा,
तो बहुत मेरे को लग रहा था कि ये जल्दी से कुछ टीका वगैरह बनना चाहिए, और मैंने सोच रखा था सबसे पहले मैं ही लगवाऊंगी।
Physically, I am feeling very fit. I am as good as I was when I entered the vaccination room. Nothing has changed. Emotionally, yes, I am very overwhelmed. And it is not that I've got the shot and, I've got the protection. I am overwhelmed because I could get this chance to get the vaccination and to set an example to allay fear from the mind of the population at large.
जब देश कोरोना के खिलाफ इस जंग को अंतिम विजय की ओर लेके जा रहा है, कुछ निहित स्वार्थी तत्व जो अफवाह फैलाने का कार्य कर रहे हैं, उन सब से सतर्क रहने की आवश्यकता है। वैक्सीनेशन के लिए भी भगदड़ या छीना झपटी या किसी प्रकार की अफवाह से बचे बगैर हमें वैक्सीनेशन के कार्यक्रम में एक सकारात्मक भूमिका निभाने और साथ साथ अपनी बारी का इंतजार भी करने की आवश्यकता है।
It has been a very smooth launch after Honorable PM launched it nationally. Here the thing is, in addition to the sanitary worker, the country's IMA president who hails from Tamil Nadu took it, then the state Tamil Nadu Medical Council president took it, and a number of such prominent people like Dean also took it, along with of course even the ambulance driver. So the mix was very good mix. So it has brought in a lot of confidence to the system. Similarly, I am given to understand that almost all the centers, things are going on smoothly. Being a first day, we will take it by the hour how it goes. But so far things have gone very smoothly.
Let's get you a sense of how the vaccination drive is going. Milind Sharma is joining us live from the national capital. She's reporting from the Rajiv Gandhi Super Speciality Hospital. We've got Pankaj Upadhyay joining us live from Mumbai. Milind, to you first. For the last many months, you've been getting us all updates on the vaccine. Now that it's rolled out, all the efforts that we've seen in the last few days to this day, really, clearly it's come to a point where now it's all very, very smooth because of all that effort.
Well, definitely, and it's a big day for vaccination in the country, Akshita, because we are looking at a mammoth exercise that's taking place and it's continued on across the nation. We saw big names take the vaccine jab and come forward. They have taken the India-made Covaxin. We are at one of the centers here where the vaccinators are inside, and these are the people who are in the registration and list waiting to be taken inside the center to take the first shot. And let me tell you, we have not heard of any adverse event that has been reported in this center and across Delhi. At this point, we have heard from doctors who have taken the shot that the vaccine is safe right now, and the vaccine is not at all causing any problems whatsoever. So definitely that happens to be one of the prime reasons that people are coming forward talking about how they are feeling, and they are telling everybody that it's safe to take the shot. The healthcare workers in the front lines taking this first shot, whether it's Covishield or Covaxin, it doesn't matter, because these vaccines are absolutely safe at this point of time. Most people have come and said that they are safe vaccines. There's no issue after the 30-minute observation period. Also, we have spoken to many doctors and the Safai Karamcharis, the lab technicians. These are the people that the Prime Minister has made a priority of, and they have been given the shot. They completely say there's no issue after taking the vaccine. So certainly both Covishield and Covaxin at this point being administered to each and every one. And we did hear that Dr. Guleria and Dr. V.K. Paul, who have been spearheading the entire the mammoth exercise along with the Union Health Secretary as well, Rajesh Bhushan, have also taken the shots. So they're aged people, the younger ones, everybody is taking the vaccine, and we'll have to wait and see. This will not be the first day, Akshita. There will be more days as well when vaccines will be administered in future.
You know, our healthcare heroes and our healthcare workers who've really taken us through those dark times of the pandemic are now setting the way forward, also setting an example for the rest of the country. As you pointed out, Milind, both vaccines are equally good. There's no point trying to, bicker over one and try to pinpoint and, find faults in one. Both are equally good, and you've got our healthcare workers out there in the front showing that they trust these vaccines. Let me take this across to Pankaj Upadhyay. He's joining us live from the KEM Hospital in Mumbai. Pankaj, how's it going there? All smooth?
Akshita, I am at Nayar Hospital, in fact, now, and things are going pretty smooth at this point of time. So this is good news. Let me show you around what's happening. This is the waiting room area, and these are the people who are in line who will be getting the vaccine. In fact, everyone has been given a token chit with numbers written on it. In fact, my camera person, Mahesh More, will show you. Everyone has been given a token. They've got their numbers written on it, and then a photo ID. All these people need to have a photo ID. These are all healthcare workers. Are you confident? डर लग रहा था, घर वालों ने क्या सोचा है बताएं?
No, we are confident, no fear.
Many people had been saying whether they should be going for it or not. A lot of skepticism was there. What do you feel?
I think they should go for it.
All right.
Some vaccine is always better than nothing. They should go for it. It's normal vaccination.
What has been the reaction of your family members? This is a big day after all.
No, they were supportive. They said you should go ahead.
So there has been total support from the family members as well. Now, what is your message to all those people who are little indecisive at this point?
They should go for the vaccine, and it will help all the people.
All right. So what else is happening here, Akshita? I'll show you around. When they get the token, when their names are announced, then a doctor who's present here, before that person enters, is asked a few questions. Whether or not that person is fully fit or not, whether he's getting any symptoms or not. And when everything is clear, the doctor here, the healthcare worker here, clears that person to go inside. Now this is the vaccination area where the real process starts. Now since morning, it's been 2 hours. I've been talking to many people, and all the healthcare workers say that they've been fine. There have been no adverse effects. There have been no side effects reported till now. So this is also very good news, and there's a sense of excitement and relief. And the best part is that most of the people say that the healthcare workers say that they are getting full support from their family members as well.
Okay, I also want to introduce Gaurav Sawant, who's joining us live from the Medanta Hospital in Gurugram. Gaurav, we played out your conversation with several healthcare workers, with doctors who received the vaccine, like Dr. Naresh Trehan. You know, so many senior doctors are leading by example today. You know, they held our hand through the worst of the pandemic. They were the ones who risked their lives for us. And today, they're showing the way forward when it comes to the vaccine, also saying that we need to show trust, we need to have faith in these vaccines.
You know, you've hit the nail on its head. We are at the prestigious Medanta Hospital in Gurugram, and Dr. Naresh Trehan, the chairman and managing director, was actually leading by example. And not just Dr. Trehan, but Dr. Arvinder Soin, Dr. Yatin Mehta. These are all, doctors who were right in the middle of trying to save lives at the height of the pandemic 10 months ago. Right now, they were the ones who once again led by example by being amongst the first to be vaccinated. So when you come for vaccination, you come to this point, the verification counter, where your identification papers are cross-checked, all facts done. Once you're verified, then you come. This is the seating area. Again, in the seating area, you ensure that social distancing is maintained. Once again, the fact that these are doctors, they know the rules and they play by the rules. This is where they come in. This is where then they get vaccinated. This is vaccination entry. 2, there are members both of the staff, the vaccinators, and of the government. So the Covishield vaccine or the vaccine is there. Each vial for 10 people. You get the jab. Once you get the jab, you come here. Again, this is a place where doctors monitor you. You are here for about half an hour. So far, each vial is for 10 people. So far, Akshita, if I may, we've had about 30 to 40 people who've been vaccinated in the first and the second rounds, and no side effects whatsoever. So far, not a single side effect. None of the doctors, none of the healthcare workers, they've reported nothing. They stayed here for half an hour. We've interacted with them, and now they're actually back to work. I mean, they're not even taking a day off. They're back to work, trying to save more lives.
Fingers crossed it stays that way, that there are no allergic reactions, no side effects that are being reported. The entire process that Gaurav described for us, it's so smooth at this point because of the fact that there were so many mock drills, dry runs. Every single process that has been put in place was already run through time and again to ensure that when the day comes, which is today, things go as smoothly as possible. Everyone knows exactly what needs to be done.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.